Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about RESTful API in Spring Boot. So now I am going to create one controller class. So I am going to make this controller class is RESTful API. So I am going to fix REST controller annotation. Here I am going to give it. For this REST controller annotation, you need to add the import file. And here I will going to show you how to access the methods and functions, everything with the APIs. I'm going to show you how to work with the APIs. So today in this session I am going to explain about request mapping. So for that I am creating one method here. So welcome. So this method have a return type, return value. So also I need to give. So welcome to the RESTful API. RESTful API in Spring. I'm going to give this line. So where I'm calling this function, it will be returning welcome to the RESTful API in Spring. This line going to be written. Okay. So for this, I don't want to call anywhere in the main program directly. So apart from that, I'm going to call this method to the website. So for that, I'm going to apply the API. So here I'm going to apply request mapping. Request mapping. So for that we need to add some header file. Inside this request mapping, I'm going to give the API anything like slash hello. If I'm typing in the web browser, if I'm typing hello, I will get the this method return value. So now I'm going to run this program. So now the program is started. The port number is 8080. I'm going back to the browser. Here I can type localhost :8080. I did not get anything in the output. So in the controller page, I teached you about the request mapping API. So that API URL is /hello. So we need to type this URL into the localhost 8080 in this website. So after localhost :8080, I'm going to type hello /hello. See, I'm getting the output from the method request mapping. I'm set at there hello, and once I typed there /hello after 8080, I will get the method return value here. So in this way we can call all the methods in the web browser.